The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Hi, today let's learn how to step sideway to do the forehand topspin with Coach Zhang, translated by EmRatThich.
You are not brushing the underspin. It's impossible to lift the ball this way, and your quality won't be good. A flat hit means there is no initial impact followed by brushing. Don't just use your body to power through. You won't be able to release your power effectively. You are being too rigid now. Right, you need to integrate your power properly. Not penetrating. No penetration. You need to fully penetrate the ball. See, this is the feeling. Your contact is too weak. Watch my body. I'm brushing through like this. You are doing it differently. Look, your brushing motion is like this. Go diagonally backward. Move diagonally backward, wrap around diagonally, and then drive forward. Try it. Don't just go straight forward. Yes, try it out. It's fine. That's how it should be. Follow this arc. Didn't you finish the stroke? The correct distance is crucial. Your distance isn't right. Look. This won't work. Not enough money, not enough effort. Now this semicircle motion is fine. The final movement should go forward, not sideways. Otherwise, the power dissipates. You're not brushing through properly. No sound, no full brushing. I see your issue. You should. Your arc right now looks like this. Yes, this way is a bit better. See, you're doing it like this. You need to do it like this. Try it out. Push, 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 more friction. After your leg movement, your upper body should not collapse like this. This is incorrect. Hey, you're getting old. Your stance is off. This isn't a private coaching session. Open up naturally. This weekend, let's share a training session. Step back properly. This position is good. Can you attack horizontally? Charge forward. Yes. That green zone feeling. Yes. That's good. A gold medal effort. You're not following through. Follow through. Follow through. Look. See how you stop there? Your force direction should be like this. Watch me after I loop. I extend forward. You stay here, and it's hard to exert force like that. Try it. After I loop. Is the camera angle too wide? Alright, let's all have some red drinks. No, you need to hook it here. Yes, like this, not the other way. Now it's a bit better. You understand the arc. It's improving. Huh. This part needs more acceleration. Accelerate at this point, not a constant speed. Your body movement is better now. Accelerate the forearm. You can't master this in just 1 or 2 days. You should first use your body to feel the power generation pattern. You can't rely only on your hand. Right, you can't rely only on the hand. But I use my hand for topspin. It's not like I don't use it at all. Some people use the hand to lead the waist. I might use my hand more, or maybe not. Some use the waist to lead the hand. I might use my hand to lead the waist. But it's impossible for the waist to remain completely still. That's it. Just aim for that spot. Okay, rubbing the ball. The biggest issue I see with your stroke is, come over, let me ask what was said earlier. Power only comes when you release it properly. Push with a smooth arc. You need friction to create an arc. If you only push, it's just a direct hit. Right, if you push, there's no arc. Arc and rhythm. They are always the most important in table tennis. How you develop rhythm. Spin creates rhythm. Does this have rhythm? Is this rhythm useful? Is this rhythm useful? If there's no spin, it's useless. Some people don't understand the details of topspin. The key point is right here. Didn't I just explain this to you? In situations where you have no choice, you need to force yourself to use power. You must have this ability. If you overdo it, you might strain yourself. You okay? This is... Yes, just one stroke. You didn't even use much power. Then why did the ball still move fast? It barely touched the table. Because when you contact the ball, you use friction to accelerate it. It's accelerating friction, not accelerating the impact. You can't lift under spin. No matter how fast you hit, it won't lift. See, you didn't even exert force. Still moved fast. Try using more of your body. If you just push, it won't work. Against underspin, you need friction, and you won't get quality. There's no such thing as hitting first, then spinning later. It's always spin first, then impact. Topspin should be done like this. Always spin first, then impact. If you only hit, there's no safety. With spin, you have safety. Feel this movement carefully. You need to get this feeling. Today's training felt great at the end.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.